Here's how we unlock a simple Profit Cyclone blueprint that practically forces $246.10 into our accounts in 60 seconds flat. This brand new loophole boosts our profits by over 80%. 3 questions. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? Then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. If you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate. Because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this secret blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time online marketer. I suspected the gurus knew something I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth $12 billion globally? And that the affiliate marketing industry has grown 52% for the past 5 years? In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my secret blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account with endless profits. Finally, I'll show you why my triple threat, autopilot traffic source will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. This information is very controversial in nature. Therefore, I can't guarantee it will be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover these secrets on your own. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock these secrets. Introducing Profit Cyclone. I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation. I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline the secret blueprint for you. Solving all your marketing problems with Profit Cyclone is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With Profit Cyclone, you can never worry about an empty affiliate account again. Profit Cyclone comes packed with great features like triple threat traffic blueprint. Over-the-shoulder, step-by-step videos show you exactly how to drive traffic to your offers from 3 different sources. Beginner friendly, just copy what you see on screen and you're all set. Profit Cyclone A to Z blueprint. Discover our insider secrets for easily building out an online hub that the gurus don't want you to know about. Steal the exact strategies we use to go from scratch to $10,000 a month. Set and forget automations. Uncover our time-saving automations to skyrocket your results. That once set up runs 24/7 on autopilot. DFY offers ready to go. No need to reinvent the wheel, just use what already works. We give you our own proven offers ready to profit right from the start. Multiple real-world case studies. These case studies show the power of Profit Cyclone in action and give you every detail so you can duplicate our results. Tools, resources, and insider extras. Save boatloads of time and money while skyrocketing your results. See which tools get you the best results. Resources to scale fast. Insider extras that most marketers won't show you. Click the button below now to get Profit Cyclone for a low one-time fee. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. Johnny says, Profit Cyclone is ingenious. Mike says, if you've been struggling to get your online business moving, then Profit Cyclone really is a game changer. And Shu says, many charge thousands of dollars for knowledge like this, but fortunately not with Profit Cyclone. I often get the question, how do I know Profit Cyclone will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with even hardly any effort at all. But there's more to Profit Cyclone than what I've already told you. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I will also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price for all of this is normally $47 per month, but today it's just $12.95. In fact, if you are quick, you might even get this even cheaper on an early bird special. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, OLSP Traffic Domination Group. Value $997. Bonus number 2, Profit Code. Value $297. Bonus number 3, Exodus. Value $197. Bonus number 4, the CPA Project. Value $197. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may close the offer after 200 people get access. And it will be returning to a monthly fee after this launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this Profit Cyclone system but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is not having a system to easily follow, and Profit Cyclone solves this with spades. Remember, you get the Profit Cyclone A to Z blueprint, triple threat traffic blueprint. You also get set and forget traffic automations, and DFY offers ready to go. P.S. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest and fastest way to fill your affiliate account with our A to Z Profit Cyclone blueprint and triple threat traffic sources. You also get the step-by-step tutorials and the 4 premium bonuses. Click the button below now to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.